Hello everyone and welcome to my channel.
How the fuck are you?
Before starting anything in this series especially, here's the disclaimer. Whatever we are gonna talk about in this video, whether it will be who I am, fashion analyzing if that's a thing, it's not meant anything personally or against him. In this video we're just gonna analyze the person's fashion and talk about it and in what way it can help you. So you don't need to be mad at me. So this is just an analysis video. The last video in this series, the fashion analysis of Carrie Minati, has to be the most viewed video or the best performing video on my channel. At the same time, it's the worst rated video on my channel. I really don't get it. Why? It was a style analysis video. It wasn't a roast video or anything against Carrie Minati. But so many people were offended. I am like, why are you even offended? There's nothing to be offended. Man, people nowadays are just offended at anything. Don't believe me? Check out these comments. Be in your limits. What the fuck did I even do?
अबे साले.
Mind your own business. This is my business. What the fuck do you think I'm doing here? भाई जरा खुद की देख लो, जरा गधे भी शर्मा जाए तुम्हें देखकर. और वो उसकी मर्जी है ड्रेस कौन सी यूज करता है, फिर भी स्मार्ट है वो. Moving on, I found there were a few sensible people in the comment section who did understand my video and were not offended. Ulta, they were also confused why are people getting offended on this video. Thank you people for supporting me on this one, because there are very less sensible people, and you know what, I'm actually happy to have a sensible audience instead of a toxic fan base that Carrie Minati has and those bacha log that follows him. So I'm glad I have a sensible and more mature and understanding audience. In today's video we're gonna do the style analysis of Lodi Bhai.
कि लॉडी हमेशा बहन की होती है, तो मैंने सोचा भाई की क्यों नहीं, इसलिए लॉडी भाई.
So let me put on my style analysis glasses and let's get started. Da 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 da. It's the one and only AARYA, immature motherfucker. And you're watching Style Analysis. Harsh Beniwal is one of my favorite YouTubers from India, and I feel one of the top YouTubers in India as well. He is really good with his videos. He's also starred in this movie. The movie was shit, but I loved his role in the movie. So yeah, there's a lot more to come for Harsh Beniwal. So I'm really happy for him. And I really genuinely love the guy's content.
सी कंटेंट नहीं, कंटेंट होता है. अगर आपको कंटेंट देखना है तो आप YouTube पे जाओ, यहाँ तो आपको कंटेंट ही मिलेगा.
I'm actually watching him since the time he was on Vine. So yes, I'm watching him from a long time. Plus, one more reason why I wanted to do the fashion analysis on Harsh Beniwal is because he is a lot into streetwear, as many of you people might know. So stick around till the end because there are a lot of things that you might learn from him. Alright, let's like always start with the body type. Harsh Beniwal comes into the endomorph body type. He's a 5'5" and weighs 65 kilograms. So in this body type, the person appears to be shorter and wider. Well, he is short. We're not body shaming or anything, but this is an important part of fashion. If you want to dress very well, on point, you should dress according to your body type. And if you don't know how to do that, I've made a complete video on how you can properly dress according to your body shape. And it's really easy. So just watch that video. The card is right here. It's also linked in the description below. So normally people in this body type should go for regular fit clothing. No skinny fit, no slim fit, and no overly baggy clothes. But Triple S, streetwear is all about baggy clothes. What do you say about that? Well, we'll get back to that in a moment. Then there comes the character. The character of Harsh Beniwal is comedic and extroverted. So now let's move on to the analysis part. So as I mentioned before, Harsh Beniwal is a lot into streetwear. He is kind of a complete hype beast. His clothing is mostly flashy, eye-catching. He pulls off the hippie fashion as well. But let's start with the basic outfits. Alright, this one right here, this is okayish. But it would look a lot better if he had gone with white sneakers, plain white sneakers. In terms of fashion, I feel he's a lot better right now because this picture is a little old. So yeah, no problem with that. He's also pulled off some traditional wear as well. The outfit is overall good. good call with the rolled up sleeves here, guys, because when you wear kurtas or anything like that, rolled up sleeves is gonna look very good, because exposed forearms look very good on men. They make you look muscular, and if you have a bigger arm, the bigger your arm, the better it is. But not just one single arm, because you know why the one single arm is bigger than the other. No. But there's one more problem in the outfit. It's that it's a little too long, as you can see, and there's nothing wrong with too long outfits, but on his body type, if you wear too long clothes, too long top, it makes you appear even shorter. So that's a problem. So what you guys need to understand or do is, when you wear kurtas or something, make sure the length does not exceed your knee. It should be till the knee or a little above the knee. That's the sweet spot, I'd say. Like here, as you can see, this one is perfect. There's no problem in this outfit. And if you compare it side by side, you can see that this longer top makes him appear shorter, because the legs appear very short in this one. And compared to this one, this is a very balanced kind of an outfit, so it looks much better. And now our favorite part and the most important part, streetwear. Before we start with it, let's check out this comment of what some people feel about streetwear. So this is on my YouTube versus TikTok fashion video. I agree with almost every point, except Harsh Benial. Harsh Benial. His fashion is tatty. He looks like a Smurf in rainbow color. Okay, the best part has to be Harsh Benial. And I did try to explain him streetwear, but I don't know if he gets it or not. I feel these people come from those other fashion channels from outside, like Teaching Men's Fashion or Alpha M, or even Beer Biceps, because these guys don't cover streetwear at all. I feel they don't cover it at all, and as a result, people don't know about streetwear and how amazing street fashion is. And I'm telling you, once these huge YouTubers get into the streetwear genre, it's gonna be all over the world. People are gonna like it, because I've seen a lot of these huge creators demote streetwear. They call them ugly or improportional. It's not good or not balanced. It's imbalanced, and it's just like fast fashion. But I don't think that way. I still gave it a try and I loved it. And also, from watching videos on Teaching Men's Fashion's channel, he 2 years back said the Balenciaga Triple S, तुम्हारा भाई के नाम पे शू है. Nah, just kidding. It's the Triple Sole, Balenciaga Triple Sole. He said these dad shoes don't look good at all. They're ugly and it's gonna go out very soon. But 2 years later, the guy wears the same sneakers and he loves them apparently. And he said this in one of his videos. So people just try out different things. Don't just stick on to someone's opinion. But the only thing that this guy, the comments wala guy, said right was the Smurf wala thing. And don't get angry on me. I'll explain it in a while. Just stay here. So as you can see, Lodi Bhai is a complete hype beast. उसकी literally बहुत ऐश है, because उसके जेब में रखा cash है. Lodi Bhai is fully covered in Gucci top to bottom. I personally like the branded hype beastie tracksuits. I feel they look really good if pulled off very well, as Harsh Benial does it. Harsh Benial does it. The Supreme one is great as well. This green, okay, let me point this out. This green is not the chapri neon green. This is a good type of a green, but it's still very flashy. So here are a few things that I observed and I want you to understand through the analysis I've done. This level of flashiness that Harsh Benial does is not an everyday thing. This is something that you just do occasionally. That's why I mostly stick with basics. If you see me anywhere in Pune, if you stay in Pune, and if you see me just roaming around or just riding my bike, you won't see me in super flashy outfits, because that's not mostly my thing, and super flashy items are not an everyday go-to thing. So yes, I am wearing streetwear, but I stick mostly to the basics. And just in case if you people don't know streetwear and how to pull off streetwear very well, here's a playlist that I've done on streetwear, which I'm gonna like add videos in the future, so you can just learn basic streetwear right now and pull it off as well. So the card actually is right here. It's also linked in the description below. So the things you need to know before pulling off these kinds of flashy outfits like Harsh Benial. So the things you need are, firstly, occasion, the right occasion where you can wear these flashy outfits. The next thing is going to be confidence. It's all about confidence and the way you pull that off. If you are not confident with yourself or the way you look, it's gonna show off on your face, and people are gonna know that you are not confident. It just shows on your face. The next thing is a sweet ride, because no matter how well you dress, if you arrive on a cycle or a normal moped, it's not gonna work, people. So if you're gonna dress very flashy and don't have a super bike or a good car, take a cab. No problem, take a cab, but don't take any other small rides. Believe me, I know it doesn't sound very good, but it's kind of the reality. So I thought just to put it out there, because there are a few harsh realities of the world that other YouTubers might not explain you, but here I have to explain you these things because it just won't work. However, if you think Harsh Benyal does all the streetwear looks, he pulls it off very well and too perfectly, well, you're wrong. There are a few problems with it. So here are the things that he gets wrong. Remember, the Smurf part I said was kind of correct, and I'll explain why. Here's why. As I said, in the endomorph body type, if you pull off very baggy clothes, it makes you more wider. Alright, it makes you wider, it makes you shorter as well in appearance, and basically like overweight. It makes you shorter and overweight. But the problem is, streetwear is supposed to be baggy and just loose and relaxed fit, right? You can't include skin fit in streetwear. So what to do, Triple S? Here's where the Kanye West formula kicks in. The Kanye West formula is basically taper your outfit. No top should go below your crotch, and the pants should be above your ankles if you have a similar body type to Harsh Benyal and Kanye West, because Kanye West is short as well. So this is not something that Kanye West came up with, but he does it very well. Have you ever seen him look really weird? Okay, he does dress weird sometimes, but mostly he does it really well. It doesn't look bad on him. Even though it's super baggy and stuff, it does not look bad on Kanye West. And let me tell you how difficult it is. Kanye West dresses completely different. He has his own dressing sense. So being completely different, that people normally don't look at a men's fashion like that, and pulling it off well, that it looks okayish in our normal eyes, is really a big deal, people. So the thing that I just told you, it gives your outfit and your body silhouette a kind of a proportion. And don't worry about your hairy legs, because we are men and we are supposed to be hairy. Yes, we are men and we are supposed to be hairy, but if you don't control your hair, the sight is just unpleasant. So what you do is wear matching pattern socks, which are really in style right now since a year or two, and they look really good in streetwear. The next thing would be wear monotone outfits, which is a single colored outfit. These types of outfits will make you appear a lot taller. He looks a bit taller in this one, as you can see. I also like the hippie outfits he has pulled off when he went to Kasol. There are a few exceptions to the outfit that are really not well according to the fashion rules, but it's fine because बंदा कसौल गया था यार. वहाँ मकसद बस दो होते हैं, वादियों में बैठे बैठे माल फूको या माल फूकते फूकते वादियों में बैठो. ऐसे टाइम पे अपनी अपीयरेंस पे कोई ध्यान नहीं देता है. Well, speaking of Kasol, I want to join too. तू रोल भी करने लग गया? अच्छा, कर भी दिया, बहुत बढ़िया. And at last but not least, I'm gonna share with you the golden rule of fashion to how to always look good. So this is kind of a secret that I kept from a lot of you. So it's something that you should know, by the way, and I want to share with you because you're like my family. So why not share the secret with you people? So come a little closer. The secret is to subscribe my channel right now, because the analysis is over and I know you like this video because you watched this video till the end. So why not subscribe my channel and be a part of our community? But before leaving people, let's set the scores for Harsh Benyal. Harsh Benyal. So as you know, we set the scores in terms of fit, personality, versatility, color combination and accessorizing. So starting with the fit, Harsh Benyal is a 3.5 out of 5. In terms of personality, or basically character, he gets a 5 out of 5. In terms of versatility, he gets a 4 out of 5. And in terms of color combination, he gets a 4 out of 5. And in terms of accessorizing, he gets a 5 out of 5 because he accessorizes almost every time he wears some kind of a watch, a bracelet, or whatever it is. He does accessorize, and that is something that puts your fashion on the next level. So people accessorize. If you want to learn how to accessorize streetwear, kind of accessorizing. Here's a video on streetwear accessorizing. You can go watch the video by clicking right here on the card. It's also linked in the description below. So the scores are 21.5 out of 25. That means a 4-star rating, which is the most someone has got on this channel till date, because there are just 3 videos. Koi na koi to karega hi break, but this is a really good score. And let me know who else you want me to do a fashion analysis on, and I will make that video in the next video of this series. Hey people, I'm really sorry the last part wasn't shot properly because the half an hour threshold was over, so I'm once again repeating the whole thing. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned down below. It's at streetstylescape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. I'm also on Snapchat, so go add me there and let's make our snap scores better. I'm also on Twitter, so you can go follow me at stylescape. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.